good this thing is. Too dangerous. Okay. Good night, guys. Bye.
Two hours later.
Huh? What happened? Oh, hey, little guy, are you safe? Are you okay, little guy? What? A slime? Ah! What? Anne? Where are you, Anne? Anne? Oh, there you are, Anne. You are wanting me sick, man. Get up here, man. Anne, what are you doing down there? You were worrying me sick, man. Anne? 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 Oh, there's the face. Is that slime? Hey, man! What was that, man? Oh my god, he's a zombie? Everyone, wake up! What the? And? Ah! Danger Savage already? I think he's infected with a virus. What virus did you make? Well, this virus is like, make you droop goop all and the open spots. Are you serious? We need to cure him now. Yeah, Oogie, we need to cure him now, or he'll infect anyone else. Anne, are you okay? Nobody, stay away from him. What? You're him. Okay. Ow! Jesus Christ, man. I'm just gonna be... Also, the infection spreads through bites. What? Ow! Why? Why did you make this infection? Why? I created it by accident, alright? Alright, Huggy? Let's find a way to cure him, I guess. Let's let the robotic laser we need to cure him somehow. Do you make an antidote? Can you make an antidote? Oh yes, Charles, I could. It's in my lab. And where is your lab? Oh. What is the infection? Well, the infection is highly dangerous. Well, this infection started replacing the blood with this ink slime on it. Yeah, we can see that, Elgo. Yeah. This is gonna be... It's in my lab. 40 great. 3. Oh, great. I am really sorry for that. I punched him like you and. That is not gonna kill him. Toy Bunny, is that a zombie? Quick, in the lab, now. My watch. Toy bodies ability to fly. Quick, in my lab! Right behind you. Guys, wake up! There's infections going on. Come on, we need to hurry now. An infection? Infection? Yeah, we need to run now. Okay. Get your hand off me. No. Oh, down my dog. Where is your lab, Elgo? In here. Well, that's very advanced. Quick, get in here now. Don't wait for me. Right there. Don't wait for me. Wait for me. Left side.
Me and my teammate did this.
So this is your lab, Elgo. Yep, it is. So, can you get the serum? Oh yeah, Xboxy, I can get the serum. It's about here. I don't think